Safety risk? We ask questions about the Mandela Highway pipe repair project after discovering the structure was made of asbestos. This evening, the NWC's response. Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Doreen Samuels. Also this evening, unacceptable. The Attorney General comments on the situation at the Freeport Police Station.
Planning ahead is Novelet Grand's 90-day plan, a pitch to be selected as police commissioner.
Money woes. Government reports drop in tax collections.
Saying sorry, Hampton School's principal apologizes after attending a controversial court case.
In the business day, is the government considering a new oil hedge?
There's also the health report, sports commentary, as well as primetime weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
What do you think of the acting police commissioner's 90-day plan and her decision to call a press conference?
Share comments online, facebook.com/television Jamaica and tweet at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns after this break.